Updating your legal name on LinkedIn Learning is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name reflects your current legal identity. Step 1. Login. Access your LinkedIn account by entering your credentials on the LinkedIn website or app. Step 2. Go to Settings and Privacy. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Edit your name. In the Profile section, find the option to edit your name. Click on the Edit button next to your name to make changes. Step 4. Enter your legal name. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRIC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new name, click the Save button to apply the changes. Your updated name will now be reflected on your LinkedIn Learning account. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily update your legal name on LinkedIn Learning.